Alright guys, quick vid of my Pioneer Avh-8400Bh head unit. Got it installed like 2-3 days ago, and it's pretty fat. It's like the fattest radio I've ever seen in my life. I call it a computer because it does everything. It has iPod, Bluetooth. You can make calls. It has navigation. It has pretty much anything that's on your iPhone goes on the screen. So right now I'm watching Fast and Furious DVD. And just go through and show you what it does. Has radio. Nice and clear. Has Bluetooth audio. You can use Pandora and stuff to connect it. I'm gonna just show you what it does without the phone. You can change the backgrounds. I like these because they actually move and do something. But you can change the illumination of the buttons to random. It's blue, it's purple. I'll leave it on that for right now. That's actually moving right now. Everything's flush, doesn't come out. You know, it's top of the line radio. It's like damn near $800, but I got it for like $4. So let's see what else it does. Now I'm gonna attach the iPhone to it. You need this cord. It's a video cord. I have a switch down here so I can actually watch the video while I'm driving also.
My DVD, I'm in love with W-E-E-D. Please pass the blunt, don't hold a blunt, cause if the laws come, you gon' be the first to run. Bitch, I be smoking on that Mary chain. Do you be smoking on that Mary chain? I wanna know. See, I'm addicted to that Mary chain. Are you addicted to that Mary chain? I need more. I be smoking on that Mary chain.
That was the iPod going through the auxiliary, so that's why it was so loud. I couldn't turn it down from here. But this is the iPod section itself, so you can control everything from the iPod from here without even touching the phone itself. So, let's say I want to see some navigation. You have to hit the app radio. Then it opens up an app. Check this out. App radio's open. Hit OK. So now, these are all the apps that are on my phone that I can control. Mix Tracks actually is a DJ, and it mixes all your tracks up. I just set up my navigation from my phone. That's where I live. I'm not gonna, can't really see anything, but I can scroll anywhere. This is using my GPS from my phone for free. So this is some legit next year shit. You can use the Motion X. It loads from here and then goes onto your screen. You can also have voice guidance recognition, but I don't need all that. So check this out. Boom! That's where I live, and it's on here also. Zoom around, see what's going on. It's still loading. No thanks. Alright, check this out. Come on, load. Or maybe it's because I'm not driving. This is the one that you have to leave here. Leave there until you drive around. So that's a navigation that you can drive around with. What else? And your phone's actually charging, so you never lose service or battery. Also, you can watch Netflix. Check this crap out. Boom. Look. Boom. I can watch any movie I want in this biatch. What else? But yeah, this radio is legit. Like I said, it's not even a radio, it's a computer. Let's see what else it can do. You guys want to see how it opens? Let's see. This is how it opens. Legit. Fast and Furious comes out. Right here is no trickery. Goes right back in. No problems. No problems. And it also makes phone calls. I'll show you in a second once this loads up. But look how fast, like, it just loads up so quickly. It's smooth. The screen is smooth. Like, you don't have to press it real hard. Doesn't lag or anything. This is top of the line. Like, this is the creme of the creme. Detachable face, so you can think about stealing it, but you can't. Everything in this car is detachable. So. Look at that. It's clear. And I got my battery charging right now, so my battery's not going to drain. Alright, let's just play this real quick to show you guys. My girl's texting me. She lost me. But yeah, see how fast it loads? Like, it's fast. This is a computer. And let me show you how to make phone calls real quick. You go right here. My phone is actually synced Bluetooth. I don't even need the phone plugged in and I can make phone calls. Let me call my house. Put in my number. And that's actually calling my house right now. Inside. From my phone, Bluetooth, for free. That's enough of that, but anyway, that's the radio. That's the head unit of the millennium. That's the best head unit you can ever get. So I'm happy I got it. Happy I got it installed. The only thing that doesn't work is that vent. Everything else is legit. My interior neons underneath. Everything is straight. So I'm satisfied. Pioneer, you got my freaking money. So, what else can I say? Pandora works. And this is all Bluetooth streaming, so you don't even need the freaking phone hooked up. Give it a second. Oh, maybe it's because I'm on the call still. Whoops. Sorry. Go back to Pandora. You can tilt it wherever way you want, but I like it like that. best thing is this. The background.
B.I.G.
Ooh, you got crazy.
Oh God. Whoa.
But yeah, my switch is down here for video, so it's always on.
Click, click, click,
That's
click.
it. And that's from Pandora. Thumbs up. I like it. Peace out, y'all.